condensed glue gels, okay? Because we are going to place the 3D pointed back. I am gonna pick this beautiful from this collection. I believe it's number 6. I think so. We're gonna do what we're gonna place them is like a triangles. Okay. Place some of this in. I'm gonna tuck it some of the tiny little 3D pointed or crystal or cluster on the edges, so then it's kind of feeling on the side. So I'm doing this part first, and then we are going to get into the smaller. I do like it. Now we're going to flash cure first this part. The best thing about condensed glue gels is not going to cure until you are going to ready to key and happy with it. Flash cure. I am gonna using my flash cure here first, right here. For 10 seconds and key under the LED lamp. And then we are going to using condensed glue gel again and apply all the nails. Good. I think so. All right. I love the effects underneath though. So if you have really is troubleshootings with your crystals and they are not stay on, it is going to be your bestie on your station. So really a good layer of condensed glue gels, not too thick, not too thin. It's too thick, it's gonna flood your crystal. Too thin is not going to adhere your crystal properly. So if your first time feeling like you are using the condensed glue gels and you feel like your crystal is just running crazy and it starts soaking into your condensed glue gel and no wet top coat, then you're probably using a little bit too much. Try it another time again and doing a little bit less the amounts of condensed glue gels and no wet top coat, then you will get a hang of it. So I'm folding the no wet top coat on the top. What the purpose of it is will help to completely seals when it done and it's no tacky layer, and plus between the condensed glue gels and no wet top coat, it will grab the base of the crystal absolutely stay like concrete. So I'm going to add some of the really nice frame. I love those bars. I'm gonna add some bars in. Okay, and then give it some loves with the other crystals. I am in the camera? Yeah? All right. And I add some frame on. Here's some crystal. And you can continue if you want to. And if you are happy with this, we're going to cure. I'm just gonna give it just a little bit. One more. Great. So I'm happy with this. We are going to cure for 60 seconds.